In today's video, I will walk you through how to use the text tool in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and create a new document or open an existing project. On the left toolbar, select the text tool or simply press T on your keyboard. To add regular text, click once anywhere on the canvas and start typing. This is useful for titles, labels, and short text.
For paragraphs, click and drag on the canvas to create a text box. Then type your content inside it. The text will automatically wrap within the box. You can resize the box whenever you need more or less space. With the text tool active, use the toolbar at the top to customize your text. You can change the font size, alignment, and spacing to match your design. To edit existing text, press T and click directly inside the text. You can then add, remove, or modify the characters. You can also change the text color by selecting the text and clicking a color from the palette at the bottom. To add an outline, hold Shift and click a color in the palette to apply a stroke. And that's how to use the text tool in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below.